What's up, YouTube? We're here at DYNO again today. We got the black car back up and running. We fixed a bunch of dumb shit and figured that we'd come back over here to Dyno, make sure the tune was spot on. Hopefully we can make some good power and make sure that everything's spot on when we go to these events. If you didn't have a chance to check out my new T56 faceplate, I put that in a little unboxing video or whatever. So let's hit the dyno. Let's find out what's up with this tune, make sure everything's going good, and see how much power we make. Changed a couple things, made a couple things better, had a couple problems, little demons that we had to deal with. So now we're gonna get all the gremlins out, and we're gonna get in the tune, and we're gonna hopefully make some good power. So let's get strapped down and get all set up, get my O2 hooked up, my boost, and let's start making some power. I spent that good money on them couplers. This shit's like $3 an inch. You know, it's just radiator hose. And me and Dave got on the dyno, and we're like, why is our MAF signal all messed up? Why is our car running like crap? So what we're gonna do, this thing was twisted. What Dave's gonna do is he's gonna cut a piece, and we're gonna fill that coupler, because this is my coupler that goes between the MAF and the intake. And he saw on the tune that the voltage was all messed up. So this tube here, you know, that comes exit intercooler, I stole that coupler for Project Hot Wheels. I should have never touched that stuff. Tunes get very sensitive to that stuff. So we had a lot of problems with the MAF, and we could have tuned it out, but you know, you fix the problem, you don't half-ass it. So don't mess with the shit if it's right. It was like twisted, and it was like, last week I went to the, I'm showing some of the video from last week's grudge night. I couldn't run a 1060. I don't know what was wrong with it. It was fat as hell. Couldn't figure out what was going on with the tune. But we did change a bunch of stuff. We knew we had to come over here. But that's just how much different the tune is now. So we just made a hit on it. It's real happy right now. Everything's working right, good again. We're about to make a couple more hits. We're gonna turn the boost up. We're at 12 pounds. We were just over close to 6, whatever. So I'm gonna show some video on my struggles here. We're gonna turn it to 15 pounds, turn a little timing up. We'll see where we're at. Stay tuned. right, so let me show you this header. So this is what we do. We took it to a belt sander. We cleaned this surface. You can see the dark spots are the high spots, or the low spots for that matter. Well, you can see this one was even a little bit not perfect. But you can see what we did here with reinforcing this header. We went around all these welds. We actually put plates in to reinforce them where they normally blow out and crack. This is a new header too, so it was, and we put a gusset to help support back here. Instead of using the ones that were here, those never really work very well. As for the flange, you can see where it kind of got messed up in the jig a little bit, but we fixed it. It's not as thick as it normally would be, but we fixed it. You know, we blowed it out. We tigged here, and we redid the actual flange. So it should seal just fine for what it needs to do. And we also came up top here, belt sanded this until it was straight, and then we belt sanded this to make sure the seal gets good. So you can see what we've done. We've done a lot of work to this header. I don't have a lot of time to make it pretty, and I'm not gonna do that right now, but I'm definitely going to get this thing in the car so we can make some hits tonight. One more thing I wanted to caveat on. I'm not saying that On3 stuff here is garbage, because it's not. And his company does not pay me. They don't give me free parts. I am a dealer with them. They don't give me any breaks more than you get. So I'm not saying that On3 shouldn't be used. 1,500 bucks, what do you expect? I'm just trying to make better, and I'm trying to show you how you can do that for little to no money, or just a little bit of work. So I wanted to make sure that I made you guys see that this is not a hate you video, because I'm going to continue to run On3 stuff. This is what I did to make it better for me. See what I mean? So let's get back into the video.
$7.15.
Sweet. We got it. Let me get this picture. Come on,
Turn it
Okay.
off.
Yeah.
Turn it off.